Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. My name is Sam Brenner and I am an online learner through Wilkes University. I'm here to present my project for our final assignment for our online class. This is a brief video that goes over the basics of my online Schoology classroom. For Manheim Central High School, I teach a science fiction online course. So let's get started. This is the top of my Schoology page. If you have never seen the platform for Schoology before, there is a banner that you can alter, and so I've altered the banner to involve buttons that the students can click on to take them to different tabs if needed. The first tab is our red phase schedule. This is strictly because of the COVID expectations. We have different schedules if needed, if we should have any kind of outbreak or issues due to COVID. The orange button is for online attendance, so that way students are fully aware as far as how their attendance is tracked for the online course. My office hours on Wednesdays, so that way they can come and get assistance specifically on Wednesdays, though they do know that they can come at any time to come and get assistance, but that is specifically on Wednesdays in case they wanted to talk as a group. We then have our streaming notice as far as proper online netiquette behaviors, our Barron news for the week, and then the weekly agenda, which is linked there in like the periwinkle colored button. It is also linked in each of the folders, which we'll get to in just a moment. So as students scroll down the page, we have our green folder at the top, which is our virtual classroom procedures. So this is all the different phase scheduling, the classroom tour for my students, the welcome video for my students, online attendance memo, the copy of the family streaming notice. Also, we have Zoom sessions, so that way they can come to the Zoom sessions, and then silent reading tracking sheets. Students in our district read silently for a minimum of 15 minutes a day. I usually hold my older students to a higher expectations of 30 minutes a day. They log it then in the tracking sheets every week, and then we talk about it weekly as far as what they chose to silently read in comparison to what we are reading in the course. Students can also find in those folders links to online course readers, so applications that will read the website to them if they should need that assistance. Each of the course weeks is separated, so as students start the course, weeks open as per the week that we are currently on. The weeks do open slightly early in case students need more flexibility in scheduling. The course is due the following Monday every week, though I do open them the Friday beforehand. So as we scroll down, currently my project relates to our dystopian unit in that I created a mini unit within that as far as different forms of literature to help enhance and create a better understanding as to how dystopian literature reflects on the main world. So students are currently on week 13, so they get an agenda video, they get their activities for the week, and then their silent reading reflection that goes back to their silent reading tracking sheet. Anything that is not highlighted bold like this, but looks more faded, are things that students can't see yet. And so week 14 is the week for following week 13. This is not open to them yet, so they can't see it because I'm currently trying to update and make sure everything is properly functioning for the students. This is also my Brave New World folder, where I am pulling resources for the mini unit from, as discussed in my project. So in the project assignment, I talk about several different pieces of the mini unit that I'm pulling in. And so that is where I house the extra assignments, so that way students cannot see them or access them prior to them being used in the course. That way there is no confusion as far as when things are due or how to do the assignment properly. So that is basically the tour of the classroom. Assignments show up on the side here in upcoming to help students determine when things are due, and I do go over that every week with them in the agenda. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!